Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this makeup look inspired by Dorcas Blackwood from The Chilling Adventures of Sabrina, my current favorite show on Netflix at the moment. And yeah, so let's just jump right into it. So after I did my skincare routine and applied my SPF, I'm going in with my Maybelline Baby Skin Face Primer and applying that all over my face. Next, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey as an eyeshadow base and blending that in with a damp beauty blender. So using my Huda Beauty Warm Browns Obsessions palette for the rest of this tutorial, I'm going in with the tan shade to set my base. Now I'm using the Beet Red color and applying that all over my lid and into my crease. Now using the slightly darker purple shade, I'm going to be applying that to deepen my crease. Now going in with the darkest shade in the palette, I'm applying that to the outer corners of my eye to add a little bit more dimension. Now going in with the gold shimmer shade, I'm going to be applying that to my lid, and I find that using my finger helps better than a brush, so that's what I'll be doing. Now I'm going in with my Dipbrow Pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Ebony to do my eyebrows. For foundation, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filtr foundation in the shade 440. For concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Better Skin in Deep 60 to highlight the high points of my face, under my eyes, my forehead, my chin, the lower sides of my jaw, and I'm going to be blending that out with a damp beauty blender. Next, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Deep 35 to bake my face. While that's baking, I'm going in with my black Radiance pressed powder in the shade Rich Mahogany to bronze and contour my face a little bit. Now I'm using my L'Oreal True Match pressed powder in the shade C8 Coca to wipe off the rest of my bake and set my face. Now I'm using the Essence Lash and Brow Mascara to set my brows. Going back in with these three shades from the Huda Beauty palette, I'll be sweeping these under my eye. I'll be using the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme Lip Plumping Gloss to prep my lips for the lipstick. For highlighter, I'm going to be using Becca in the shade Champagne Pop to highlight the high points of my face, my nose, the bridge of my nose, my brow bone, my Cupid's bow, and my cheekbones and inner corners of my eyes. For blush, I'm using the Milani Baked Blush in the shade Red Vino. For mascara, I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara to prep for lashes. I don't have the name for these lashes anymore, but I got them off Aliexpress. For lipstick, I'm using the Too Faced Matte Lip Cream in the shade Naughty. And to finish off, I'm setting my face with my homemade setting spray. And that's it for the finished look. So thank you guys for tuning in to watch this video. If you like the video, like, comment, and subscribe. If you don't like the video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Oh my gosh.